Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, hi, my name is Vivian, and in today's video I will be sharing with you tips on how to make money as a micro influencer. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I know a lot of YouTubers have various opinions as to what you can do to make money as a micro influencer, but I'm going to tell you what is currently working for me as I sit in the position currently as a micro influencer. So these are the tips I want you to actually take down and actually practice. First thing you would need to do is choose a niche. So what I mean by that is you would need to choose an area of expertise that you are passionate about, and you will do everything in your power to show up consistently, providing value to your audience. This can be anything from fashion, beauty, sports, coaching, the list would just go on. All you need to do is figure out what you want, to specialize in or to be able to show up as, and do everything in your power to create content, that align with whatever it is that you're doing, or that align with everything that you have stated on your profile. The second thing you need to do is follow the 3C rule, which is content, consistency, and creativity. I'm going to be explaining to you what each of them represents. For content, you want to make sure your videos are clear enough to be consumed and brief enough to be understood. For consistency, like I mentioned earlier, you need to make sure that you're showing up for yourself and for your audience, because most big brands look for all these character traits before reaching out for collaboration. For creativity, your creative ideas should be brief, catchy, and original. Don't be afraid to be yourself, because quirks are what makes you shine. Lastly, enjoy the process. Your passion for what you do relentlessly will show brands who you are and speak for itself. And this will in turn, allow brands to reach out to you for paid partnership deals and collaboration, which we all know equals big dollar signs. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions with regards to today's topic. You can leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till I see you in my next video, stay safe and bye for now.